fún Jésù, kó fò fún Jésù. Eléyìí tó bá ti mọ̀ pé ó wù ẹ́ lọ́kàn láti fi yin bàbá yẹn, ó ní kó fi ṣe. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń dábìrà fọ́ba ọlọ́lá.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń dábìrà fọ́ba ọlọ́lá.
Fọ́ba ọlọ́lá.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń dábìrà fọ́ba ọlọ́lá.
Óyá ijó ni májẹ̀mú èmi.
Ṣáàjẹ́ ìjó.
Àwọn tó fẹ́ fi ijó gba oore lọ́wọ́ Olúwa, ijó ni májẹ̀mú èmi sẹ́.
Ẹ ṣáàjẹ́ ìjó.
Ẹ ṣáàjẹ́ ń jó.
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 Ẹ ṣáàjẹ́ ìjó.
Now hold somebody close to you. Hold somebody close to you. Hold somebody. Àjọ máa rógo yẹn lò ní, àjọ máa dénú ògo yẹn ni. Make sure you are holding that person. Ó yá nínú ògo. Make sure you leave your position. Whosoever the Son of Man has set free is free indeed. No more stagnation. No more stagnation. No more stagnation. No more stagnation. Whosoever the Son of Man has set free is free from bondage. You are to fly. You are to soar. You are to take over. You are to pursue. You are to overtake. Ó yá nínú ògo. Ó yá nínú ògo. Ó yá nínú ògo. Ó yá nínú ògo. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ.
Ó yá nínú ògo. 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 Ó yá nínú ògo.
Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ.
Ó yá nínú ògo. Ó yá nínú ògo.
Ó yá nínú ògo.
Ó yá nínú ògo. Ó yá nínú ògo. Ó yá nínú ògo. Ó yá nínú ògo.
Now you are going to fly back to your seat. Let me see you do your hands like an eagle. Are you ready? You fly back to your seat now. Carry me, they fly, Baba, carry me, they fly, they fly, they fly.
Carry me, they go, Baba, carry me, they fly, one go.
Hiya! Carry me, they go, Baba, carry me, they go, they go, they go.
Carry me, they go, Baba, carry me, they go, they go, they go.
Carry me, they go, Baba, carry me, they go, they go, they go.
Carry me, they go, Baba, carry me, they go, they go, they go.
Oh yeah, lift me higher, Baba, lift me higher, higher, higher.
Lift me higher, Baba, lift me higher, higher, higher.
Lift me higher, higher, Baba, lift me higher, higher, higher.
Lift me higher, Baba, lift me higher, higher, higher.
Lift me higher, Baba, lift me higher, higher, higher.
Lift me higher, Baba, lift me higher, higher, higher.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Lift those hands to the Lord. Return all the glory back unto Him.